Grand Worthy Advisor, Miss Allie Jane Robinette.
Song, it's a ride in a Chevrolet. It's a man on the moon and fireflies in June. It's a high school prom, it's a Springsteen song. It's a ride in a Chevrolet. It's a man on the moon and beyond. It's America.
And each officer's names will be signed as her own personal pledge that she has rendered faithful service to the Grand Assembly, as well as her personal promise to continue to serve our wonderful order. And watches as she writes and whispers, "Do all who sign here love the Lord, for only those who do may sign." Religion follows close by. Believe in God is her reply. Allie, take off the crown. Retire the pen and know that now a new life begins. Secure in our lessons, the foundation now laid, the quest for your pot of gold now made.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the last time this wonderful group of young women who found their pot of gold in Maryland as the 2018-2019 Grand Officers of the Grand Assembly of Maryland.
I love Maryland Rainbow. I truly do. But it is a sin when you give out prizes of a huge container of both Skittles and M&Ms in the same jar. Like, I had to spend the entire rest of Grand Banquet separating the two. That way I could take the M&Ms and either Amber or Caitlin could take the Skittles. But because I spent so long working on it, I decided to just stop eating, eat the M&Ms right up till the beginning of the meeting. And when I say right up till, I mean I took one of like the caterer's cups, put the M&Ms in there, and eat it.
Fairy sisters, fairy sisters, fairy sisters. Three, let's shout, "I believe in you, Rainbow Sparkle." 1, 2, 3.
I believe in you, Rainbow Sparkle.
Editing, Nikki back. I'm probably going to over-explain this, but it's so cool that I have to. So, what you're going to see is the new GWA and her new officers going into the seats that they sit for the installation ceremony. Now, I have a diagram, because it's the only way I can describe it. So, altar, fate, yeah, you feel me, right? So in Pennsylvania, all of the people will go here and leave these seats, the bow seats, open. But Maryland has their 7 line officers as opposed to Pennsylvania 9. they go and sit in these seats, right? And so it saves space. And then when this 7 is finally done being installed and sitting in their own seats, the bow, who are sitting somewhere here, can get up, be installed, and then go behind their own seats to sit. So it just saves space, and it's brilliant. Blew my mind.
Grand officers who are fairy tailing this year for a Maryland rainbow.